channel. Okay, I'm not gonna do that. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for being here. I know it's been a long time, but I'm gonna get it together this year and bust out some good videos, I hope. But yeah, I'm just here to show you this look, and I hope that you guys enjoy. I tried to come up with something that I just felt was very Valentine's Day-y. I don't like mixing pink and red, and I knew that I wanted to do red lips, so I'm sorry if the warm eye is kind of basic. I just really love warm eyes, and I love gold, and I love red, so this has all of that, and I hope that you guys enjoy. Hope that you like it, and yeah, I will see you in the video. So I might be talking a little bit quiet in this video. I'll try and turn it up a little bit when I edit it, but my roommates are home, so I don't want to be too loud. I'm gonna prep the skin first, so I'm going to be putting on this Clinique Moisture Surge Intense Moisturizer. This is so good, especially for the winter. My skin is just dead. Okay, now I'm gonna use my All About Eyes Rich eye moisturizer, and just like that, also from Clinique, and you just barely need a dab of this, but you know, it's Valentine's Day, you want to be bougie, so I'm just gonna let that soak in for a little bit. So I love this stuff. I just got it recently. It's the Farsali Skintune, and it's like almost like a moisturizer. I just put it on my cheeks and it'll kind of splatter and whatnot. I'm just gonna spread it out evenly all over my face. And for my T-zone, or really just my nose, I use the Clean Slate Timeless Smoothing Primer by Tarte. Mine might be a little dirty, I have fingerprints all over it, but it's kind of like a putty. And I just use that to smooth out all those pores and really press it in. I think that's gonna be a little too dark. This is my Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk. I'm a little scared of how dark that's gonna be. I'm gonna probably put on a sweater to cover my chest. I just don't, like, I don't really want to wear a sweater because it's hot in my room, so yeah, we're gonna use this Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk foundation in shade 8. This is my summer color, but it's so pretty on your skin. I know it's very, very expensive and very dark on me, first off, but we're gonna make it work. I'm gonna be using my Tarte Shape Tape in light medium, and that'll kind of balance everything out, because normally with this foundation I'd probably use medium, not light medium, but I'm gonna make everything look a little bit better. Now I'm going to be using my Maybelline Fit Me powder, my favorite powder ever. It's just like this. I took the top off before showing you all. I'm going to use it in fair/light, and I don't really bake. I feel like it dries out my under eye. This powder would be fine to bake with. I just don't get them nose cracks. That's like the worst, when you're like, you think that you're having like a super good makeup day, and then you look at your nose and there's freaking like makeup settled in those like cracks. I hate that. Really press it into your forehead, because I mean, if you have wrinkles on your forehead like me, that's a trick to get rid of them. I press like a really soft loose powder like this into those fine lines, and it makes them basically disappear. And I'm gonna take the same powder but in the shade Light, and I'm gonna put that all over my face. And that'll kind of help with the tone of this foundation, I think. I'm gonna do my brows off camera because they're just boring. I will get a brow tutorial up one day though, I swear, because that is so requested, I promise. But I'll be right back with my brows done. Not pick up where anything was left off. I just finished my highlight, and then I did like my under eyes off camera and my lashes and everything, but I used the Eylure Opulent lashes like I always use, just these right here, and I put that in there wrong. And then I use the L'Oreal Voluminous mascara, this one, just the original, because it's so dark and blends so well with my falsies. And the Artist Couture highlight is the color Illuminati. It's called a Diamond Glow Powder is what that's called. And now I'm just going to take some, let's see here, what do I want to use? Got like a warm situation going on, so kind of want a warm highlight. We're gonna see how well this works, and then I'll tell you what I'm using if this works well. Oh, I kind of like that. Yeah, okay. So I'm just taking this little detail brush. It's from the brand Luxe. It's the mini round, and the ColourPop Lunch Money Super Shock highlighter, and I'm just putting that in my inner corners to give it some pop. I love the super bright inner corner. Ooh, I kind of want to use that in addition to my highlight today. I'm gonna take this prosecco pop, I don't know, don't judge me if I pronounce that wrong. I'm gonna put that on my brow bone once I find a suitable brush. It's like a perfect color for my golden look. Okay, just blending that out with my Wet n Wild blending brush because it is probably the cleanest one I have at the moment. Making sure there's no harsh lines because that is like the worst. I want all of that to blend seamlessly. And then I'm going to take a little bit of this and put it on with my Morphe, what is this, my M510 just right here because I just want it to be like a little more wet looking. There we go. Yes, that's what I'm looking for. This is like a stunning highlight. I'm gonna put my butter bronzer down my nose. I don't really use contour anymore, not unless I'm doing like pictures, because I feel like it can look really ashy and just like too much. Like I like a more natural look. Like y'all, if you could see this highlight in the sun, it is so pretty. Sorry, I can talk about this highlight all day. I'm gonna put this highlighter on my nose too. I love a golden highlight. What's left over, I'm just gonna put that on my chin and then also put that on my forehead. I'm going to spray my face with this Olay Calming Ultimate Hydration Essence Mist. So I'm just gonna do that. And I miss my face. Looks very like burgundy, but make it work. This is like the only dark lip liner I have because I didn't consider that before I started this video. It's called Burgundy. That's like the color. Okay. Okay, so now I'm going to put this red lipstick on. And I don't really want to see the burgundy. It's just there for like guidance. I really like how vibrant like the red is. It's just like this is a little bit different than what I posted on Instagram. I actually really like this look a lot more. So I'm sorry if you guys wanted to see that. I know I said I was gonna post it, but I just felt like I didn't do my absolute best with that. This is the Liquid Crystal Lip Topper Glow Gloss by Becca. And I think it's in the color like opal, or no, it's not, Pearl X Gold. And I mean, it's gold, so it goes with my look. This is like a gorgeous, gorgeous lip gloss. That is it. I'm sure I got lipstick on my teeth. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the little notification bell so you get notified every time I post a video. And I hope that, yeah, I just really hope that you guys like this. I really love how it turned out. And I hope that this year I can actually stay consistent with my videos. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. And I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.